Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will continue my Lee discussion. I want to show you how Lee can be used to find the address of a variable. Okay, let's say consider this function main, which has an int x equal to 1. And on the next line, it calls the increment function, right? And passing the address of x as the argument. So when we disassemble this, we can see how Lee is used in this context. Okay, let's do that quickly. I'm going to use GDB. I already compiled it, so I can quickly load it into GDB and disassemble main and show you the place where Lee is used. What you can see here is over here, important place. It says Lee EBB minus 16, right, or 10 in hex, and transfer to EAX. So what it means is that take the address, not the data, and transfer into EAX register. Okay, so I'm going to put a breakpoint at this place, and then we can study the meaning of Lee. Okay, let's do that. Put a breakpoint for that instruction. We can actually examine the current instruction. Oh, I didn't run the program yet. Right, let's examine the instruction. Let's first look at the EBB minus 10. Okay, how do I do that? 10 in hex. So I'm going to examine one word at EBB minus 16, which is same as hex 10. That should show you something. We don't care exactly what it is at this point. But let's run this instruction, which we have currently. The breakpoint is set. And now let us examine the EBB minus 16. We got 1. Okay. So this is just the move statement. We moved 1 to EBB minus 16. But the point is EBB minus 16 is this address. Okay. So what is the next statement going to do? The next statement is Lee EBB minus 16 into EAX. Step instruction. Okay, so we are already done with the Lee, but we can now examine the state of the EAX. Okay, let's examine the state of the EAX in hex. See here is same as the EBB minus 16 address. Okay, so we are not transferring 1. Yes, you can see we are only transferring EBB minus 16 into EAX. We are not looking into the content. Okay, that's one thing I would like to highlight. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.